Are you ready for a crisis, a scandal that could engulf your entire organization? Perhaps an explosion or fire that causes death. I hope you don't have any of these crises, but if you do, you can be sure the media will be calling. Now, the definition of a crisis and a crisis media situation is when something happens and it could fundamentally change your reputation in the marketplace. So it's not about just a new product release and getting one or two words wrong. In crisis communications training, you will learn how to perform under pressure. You will learn how to look your best, how to look comfortable, confident, and poised, even if you have 10 television cameras on you and there's a fire behind you. You'll know how to remain calm and exude a sense of confidence. You'll know how to come up with a clear, focused message, let people know what you can say and not end up with a bunch of horrible quotes like "no comment." You'll learn how to deal with hostile situations, press conferences where things get heated, and you'll learn specific strategies and tactics on how to answer tough questions. Finally, you'll learn how to speak in sound bites so that you will know in advance exactly what quote is used in any text media format. You'll know exactly what sound bite is used for any audio or video news format, TV, radio, newspaper. You will have a plan and you will have a skill set that you can use for any crisis. Now's the time to prepare. Do not wait until there's an actual crisis.